Okay, Year 12s, we're ready to do the next step, which is just to graph our two pieces of information instead of one piece of information. So here I've just done the data analysis on both my sets of data. We'll scroll down, and just to make it a bit easier, I'm just going to copy and paste the data over to here so that I can highlight it all at once when I'm ready to draw the graphs. Okay, so there is the just copied and pasted the means in the top row and then the confidence intervals there in the bottom row. Okay, we are going to highlight the data. We're going to have a look up here. Did I highlight the data? Okay, highlight the data, insert a bar chart. Just a regular old bar chart. There it is. Okay, we'll move it to the side. Move it there. Okay, now I need to add a chart element. So I'm going to go to add a chart element, error bars, and we need more error bars options. Just move my screen to the right so that you can see what's happening over here now. Okay, so what we need, we want a custom value. We don't want any of these fixed values, standard deviation, or any of these options. We're going to have a custom value, and our custom value is going to be those confidence intervals. So we just click on specify the value, and for our positive value, we're just going to highlight those two cells. For our negative value, we're just going to do the same thing. Highlight those two cells, the confidence intervals, and then we've got OK. So we have finished. Here we've got our first average, which is about 5 plus or minus 1. Okay, so here we've got 5 plus or minus 1, our confidence interval. And this one is 47 plus or minus 16. Okay, so there's our 47, and the error bars are showing us plus or minus 16. I can see straight away from this graph that the two sets of data are significantly different because there is no overlap of these error bars at all. But in order for it to work out mathematically if they're statistically different, we're going to do a t-test to work out the p-values. I'm going to do that later. So that's it for drawing the confidence interval error bars onto my bar chart.